Hey Moto friends, Bobcat here in the Art Mines on the Valkyrie, testing out a brand new dashboard camera mount thing. I don't know what to call it, so we'll see how it goes.
The materials that I used for this are very simple. I used some galvanized S-clip or slip. I use this at work. It actually holds sheet metal together. And you could use regular, I guess 1" by 1/8" stock from your favorite hardware store, but this is lighter, and this has a good bit of flex in this direction, but very difficult to bend along its axis. So I really like it for that. And it's super cheap and I have plenty of it. I also used some insulating foam tape, nice and sticky on one side, and used plastic zip ties. And that's really it.
So I have the old tiny camera mounted facing forward. I have GoPro Hero 7 Black facing beautiful me. And it is a beautiful day. Stop it. It's a beautiful day, and I would be remiss if I didn't go out for at least a little bit of a motorcycle ride, you know? But I wanted to test out this new camera mount and wanted to see how bad the vibrations were. I'm sure that the GoPro is going to be fantastic. It has a great image stabilization, all of that built in. The old tiny camera, I'm less enthusiastic about.
The process I use for this is really simple. Let's go through it. First, you uncover the bike, dust it off, get on it, and measure the space that you want to mount it on. Mine happened to be exactly 1 foot. Transfer that measure to your material, give it a good snip, double check that it fits, mark the angle of the things you're cutting to, snip it, check it again, mark the spot where you are drilling for your zip ties. I like to round off the corners to make sure they're nice and safe. Secure it down, punch your holes, and then sand off any burrs or anything like that. Then you put on the foam tape, trim it to size, wrap it around the front and the side of it. You don't need a whole heck of a lot. Do that on both sides, peel off that paper backing, wrap it, make sure it's nice and not too sharp. Punch a hole for where the zip ties go through. I like to use 2 zip ties, so I secure it in 2 different directions. Then you take it back out to the bike, test fit it one more time, zip tie it down real good. Again, I like to secure it in 2 directions, and that's pretty good. Snip off, make sure it's pulled snug, snip off the excess, and then you got 3 camera points. The bar clamp that mounts to it. The middle one is a spring clip. I don't like it so much, kind of pops right off. And then the other one is using the sticky GoPro clip-on mount, and that works pretty good.
But the Valkyrie is so smooth that you never know. You never know. Man, is it nice. So even if you can't hear me, and even if I'm talking and gesturing into nothing, that's okay. It's a beautiful day. It's a really beautiful day. And it's a Saturday, and I don't have to work. That's all that matters. Link up the audio. There. Okie dokie. Let's see. Here we are. So, turn the cameras around. Time to exit.
So it's getting late. I think I've got the results I want. I really, really like what the GoPro Hero 7 does for image stabilization, whether it's facing forwards or towards me. I can still use the helmet-mounted microphone with the cable running straight to the audio adapter for it. It works really, really well. I think it'll suit my needs perfectly. So much so that I'm really thinking about getting a second one so I can have the same quality footage forwards and backwards, or one on me, one on the engine mount, something like that. If you have any suggestions about other cameras that might be suitable for this sort of stuff, I'm all ears. And as of right now, I am 1 subscriber away from 200, so I would be real grateful if you would please like and subscribe. I hate asking for that, but it is what it is. So I can reach that 200 mark. I've got a celebratory video in the works. No one's asked any questions, so I'm not going to do a Q&A. So you don't deserve it. You haven't earned it. But I'm going to do something even better, a rigatoni pasta pie video. I just finished cooking that up, the pie, not the video. Finished cooking that up tonight, and we'll edit that together and get that out as a 200 celebration. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you are safe and well fed wherever you are. Looks like it's going to be a hot week coming up in the DC area, so drink lots of water, don't work too hard, and don't let the boss catch you slacking. Good luck.